Yes, Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back. This is June 2021, variant 12 and question number 11. So we have A, B, C and D part. First part, he said that gradient of the curve of this equation, okay, and where the curve has stationary point at this. So actually derivative is also called a gradient, you know, that is why I said the word gradient. And the curve stationary point, this is a stationary point. It means either point of maximum or point of minimum. It's a very clear. Okay, so let's see how we can complete it. So first of all, it means understood the derivative is 0 when x is 2. So I'm going to plug in here. So first part A, dy over dx is equals to 6 times to 3x minus 5 to power 3 minus kx to power 2. I will put derivative 0. Same time, I will put x value is 2. Okay. When I put derivative to this one, this is clear. 3 on the top and k times 2, 2 square. You will check it now. What answer turned to be? 3 to the 6, 6 minus 5 is 1. And 1 to power 3 is 1, so 6 comes here. And minus 4k. So 4k go on left hand side and 6 and we left here right hand side 6. 4 divide and we got a 3 over 2 k answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So first part is clear. And some students differentiate again. No need to again. It's already differentiated. A part number 2 equation of curve is asking for. And all of you know when we differentiate y, we get dy over dx. In this differentiate. And if I want to go back, what I will do integration. So we are level of derivative, we need a y. Y stands for equation of curve. So it means I have to integrate. So let's see how we can complete the question. Okay, first part is done. So, so integrating. So dy over dx, 6, 3x minus 5 to power 3 minus kx to power 2. I integrate left side and you know it. I said before, if you differentiate, you get dy over dx. If you integrate, you get a y. So when you integrate dy dx, we get a y. So I'm writing directly y. And integration, so integral sign, this is called integral sign. Minus k. K value is 3 by 2. I can replace it in time to x square and dx. No matter of just integrating, keep as it is 3x minus 5 power 3. So add 3, 1, we got a 4 divided by 4. And many students miss one thing. What missing? The base differentiation. The derivative of the base, the bracket value, 5 has a 0 and 3x is a 3. So 3 will come extra. And plus, and sorry, I did not integrate this one. So when you integrate this one, increase of 3 by 2 already present. And power of 2 increased by 3 and divided by same, and plus c is compulsory. So I think this much is clear. Now I will give further. So this 4, or you can say 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and that 2 and 4 cancel out. And so I got a 3x minus 5 to power 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are, yes, correct, 2. And minus 3x to power 3 cancel out. So I can write directly x cube divided by 2 and plus c. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, here you have it. Up till here, all of you understood well. Now further, what he says that this point lies on the curve. So I can replace it. So put x value 2 and y value is negative 3.5. Where I have to put this whole thing in the lower equation. So negative 3.5 comes here. So negative 3.5. And 3 times 2 and minus 5 and whole power 4 and divide by 2 and minus 2 cube by 2 and plus c. Actually, what I have done, I copy this 2 here and here. And you know, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 5 is 1. And 1 to power 4 is 1. So I got negative 3.5 is equals to 1 over 2. And 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8, we got a 4. So now just solve it. Negative 3.5 and negative half and plus 4. And I got C value becomes 0. So when I plug in this 0 here, so ultimately answer come y is equals to 3x minus 5 to power 4 divided by 2 and minus x cubed by 2. And ultimately this is my final answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now we need a second differentiation. We have already first derivative done. So I am doing the C part. Okay, this is a B part actually here. Now I'm doing what is second derivative? d2y over dx2. According to plan, this 3 power comes down and 3 6 are 18 and power becomes 1 less. I'm into 2 and multiplies 3. Oftenly I observe 3 students miss this 3. I hope so. You'll actually 3 come from where? 0, 5 has a 0 derivative, 3x become 3 derivative. I hope so. Point is clear. So this part is done. Now we have to do this part. Okay. So what is happening here? So k value is already 3 by 2. So I'm writing here. K is 3 by 2 and 2x comes down. 2 cancel out. We can say 3x. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So we have done it because k value is 3 by 2. I must replace here. So this is now further I just simplify second differentiation. So this 3 1854 comes and 3x minus 5 whole to power 2 minus 3x. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So we have done the second differentiation. Now he's asking us the nature. So I'm just going to find nature. How to find nature at it? So nature. So I will plug in this x value in the place of derivative. So second derivative 54 in the bracket 3 and 2 minus 5 to power 2 minus 3 into 2. So maybe please space issue. So I'm writing it below. So this is a 3 6 minus 5 1. So 1 I got a 54 and minus 6. And this becomes 48, which is a positive answer. Positive means point of minima. Point of minima. Minima. So that's it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Question is completely over.